Morning YouTube. So today is testing day. As you can see, I've got 36 250 watt polycrystalline panels here, which are of good quality. And here you can see lovely engineer Mariah. Say hello to the camera, Mariah. That's my daughter there. And Mr. Thomas. What's it? Mr. Thomas, say hello to YouTube. Hello. So that's the voltmeter there. Yeah. Most of them have been okay, Abby?
Yes, only just giving 34.
And the reading on this one is, as you can see, 33.9, which is very good. So not bad. Carry on, Mr. Thomas. So up here, I'm just preparing the panel board where most of the gear is going to be mounted. I'm currently varnishing it so we get some rainproof on it. Well, you can see down there all the panels are being tested, and so far so good. So I've just finished varnishing the boards, which are hinged boards, so you can have access to wiring behind it. You know, close and open. And the same with this one. So I'll just give it a couple of probably about an hour, and come back to see if it's dry, so we can start mounting combiner boxes and module boxes and charge controllers and etc. And then start running some wires. In the meantime, go back downstairs, have a look at the panels and see how we're getting on with the testing, because every single panel has to be tested, and you're better off testing them on the ground here before you mount them on the roof. So yeah, see you guys later. Hello YouTube. It's been a really long day. Say hello, Tiwa. This is Tiwa.
Hello, Tiwa.
No, say hello YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
My name is Tiwa.
My name is Tiwa.
Wave now. Hello YouTube. Hello. So it's been a really long day. We've worked non-stop from morning till now, testing solar panels one by one. All of the good thing, we're all in good condition. Really good high voltage values from every single one of them. Timisa is going to come around and say hello in a minute. Are you coming around to say hello to YouTube?
Yeah. Hello YouTube.
That's him. That's his face there. Okay, get away. So all the panels were in good nick, good condition, really high voltage values. I think from about 10 a.m. to, I'm making a video, wait now. From about 10 a.m. in the morning, we're getting like 32 volts. 33 volts. About an hour later, we're getting like 35, 36 volts. And these are solar panels with open circuit voltages of about 38.5 volts. So pretty good day all in all. And the other thing is that I've managed to set up, wait, I'm making a video. I've managed to set up the whole DC side of the system. The combiner boxes are up. The lightning arrestors are fused, wired in. Breakers are up. Never make a video with a 3.5-year-old. So look at this. So I'm making it. This is a video for YouTube. It's for YouTube. So it's pretty much done. So tomorrow, what I'm going to do is start stacking the batteries. Stop making faces at YouTube. What's wrong with you?
start stacking the batteries tomorrow. And that'll be pretty much it. So yes, take care.